First fucking thing, right out of the fucking box. You have any idea how long it takes me to set this shit up and get this fucking ready to go? I piss around here 15 or 20 minutes. This is so much fucking bullshit. All the fucking time with this thing going out. Really fucking pissing me off. I am about to fucking come unglued with these fucking assholes. Nothing but a bunch of fucking bullshit. Jesus Christ, you fucking pay for something. You bust your fucking balls to pay for it. You use it faithfully. And the cocksucker don't work. And I'm supposed to be fucking happy about that. Oh, it's okay. Just like a politician. Just apologize and say, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that. And everything's fine and people forget it and it all goes away, right? Wrong. If it don't fucking work, it don't work. Fix the goddamn fucking thing. Jesus fucking Christ. All the goddamn fucking time. All the time. This is fucking ridiculous. It's just totally fucking uncalled for. If you're going to provide a fucking service, either do the shit right or don't do it at all. Doesn't get any fucking easier than that. Everything is so simple, and people turn the whole world into one big fucking complicated, pissy fucking mess when there's no need for it. Everything is so simple. Always take the simple way. It's so fucking easy. You goddamn fucking moronic bastards gotta fuck shit up for everybody.
And there you go. Randy's rant for the day. RTM Radio. RTM Radio.